Hey guys, what's up? This is Chris with CS Marketing and Bell Electronics. And tonight I'm going to show you guys how to create an ad where somebody can just call you. It has a call now button, and this is for Facebook ads, okay? So there are advantages and disadvantages to this type of ad, okay? So it's called a reach objective ad. So you do get the call now button, and they have the option to call you directly using your phone number, but you cannot track the calls. All you can do is track clicks. That's the only downside to it. Not like Google where you can track calls, unfortunately. But, it could work in your area. You never know. You always got to be testing different things. The three main things that I try to test are reach, traffic, and messages. Those are the main three. The others I haven't really had success with, and I don't have a whole lot of success with reach and traffic, but sometimes I do. So sometimes they are, like I have one client right now that I tested traffic on and reach and messages, and traffic just outperformed them all. He's getting like $1.25 per message, but that doesn't happen in every area. Okay, all the demographics are different. Okay, so let's go ahead and hop in, and I will show you guys how to create this ad. It's very similar to creating just a regular message ad, but it's going to be a little bit different. All right. So as you can see, we have brand awareness, reach, traffic, engagement, and messages. These right here are the cheap ones, the cheap ads, to show the most people your ads quickly. Down here, these are kind of more expensive. Traffic is another one that I use. Don't use these over here at all. And the main one I use is messages. So, but today we're going to use a reach ad. All right. I'm going to go down here and you can go to continue. And wait for this stuff to load real quick. All right, and what we're going to do here is we're going to select the page that we want. Let me find my page, wherever it is, in here somewhere. Sorry guys, I got a lot of pages. I pass it up. Ah, here it is. Okay, so this is going to be a reach ad. I'm going to get rid of United States here. I'm going to put in where I live. All right, and for the purpose of this is testing, so this is going to be 18 to 65. And I'm not really going to do any targeting on this. I want to reach as many people as possible on this. All right, so it's good to do one without targeting and then another with targeting. So this all depends on really what you want to do. If you have a chat bot hooked up to your ads, you want to be getting messages, which I can show you guys how to do as well. But the first one I'm going to set up is a call ad, and I'm going to be pretty specific in my my copy. All right, so I'll just show you guys that. We're just going to do automatic placements for this one. And then we're going to just do $5, all right? And like I said, this isn't a guaranteed work in your area option. This is something for you to test. I can't guarantee anything based on your demographics. All I know how to do, guys, is test a whole bunch of different things. And that's why things just tend to end up working. All right, let's select an image here. And use this one. Okay, so we're going to get rid of this. And all I'm going to do is put looking for iPhone 8 and newer, Galaxy S8, Note 8 and newer. That's all I'm going to put. Just super simple. And then, so the way that you get the call ad is you go to add website URL. Okay. All right. So we'll go down here to headline, and I'm just going to put message for a quote. Description, you don't really need it. All right. So right here, website URL. What you want to do here is get your Facebook page. So let's go here to the Facebook page, Facebook. And you want to add in whatever Facebook page you have, because you have to fill the URL. You can't not do it. They won't let you go past it if you don't do it. All right. Let me go to my page here, wherever that may be. Where's Bell Electronics at? Sorry, guys, I got so many in here. Where is mine? Got it. All right, and so what you're going to do with this is you're just going to go up here and you're going to copy this. All right, you can go back to the ads manager and paste that. Okay, so that's all you do there. You don't have to fill the link in here. No button. What you want to do is click no button, and it's going to pop up with this. You're going to scroll down and you're going to press call now. Now, this is specifically if you want phone calls, okay? So as you can see, it loaded up my number for me. Invalid phone number. Oh, it's got to have the 1 in it. Make sure you have the 1 in there. It won't let you go. All right, and now it is good to go. Don't have access to Instagram account. That's okay. All right, so now people can just press call now on the ad. So that's how that works. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to save this one and confirm it. And now what you're going to do is you're going to duplicate this 5 different times. Okay, so just like many of my other ones, we're going to hop. Well, where's it at? Where'd it go? Here it is. We're going to hop into the ads here, and we're going to duplicate it. All right, so we're going to duplicate this, and you're going to do this 5 times. And all you're going to do is you're just going to switch around the photo. Okay, so you're going to duplicate this ad 5 times, not twice, not 3 times, 5 times. A lot of people don't get that for some reason. I'm not sure why. You want to change the photo every single time. All right, so we'll switch it to this one. All right, just like that. And then you're going to go do it again and again and again. Okay, so you want to do this 5 times until you have 5 different images here. Okay, now I'm going to show you guys something else, because I think you guys, because I think I repeated it enough that you need to do it 5 different times. Okay, so that's a reach ad for calls. Okay, now we're going to do a reach ad for messages. We're going to duplicate that. I'm duplicating the campaign on this one, and then I'm going to change it. Okay, so we're going to go into ad set. This is another way you can test, okay, guys? So I'm going to wait for this to do its thing. And now down here, what we're going to do is you can target if you want, target iPhone 8 and up and Galaxy S8 and up. All you got to do is type in iPhone X, and then boom, it's just going to show up with a whole bunch of different stuff. Okay, so we'll just do this. This way it'll only show to people with these specific phones or people who are likely to have these. All right, so for this purpose, I'm just going to do iPhones. And my audience also dropped from 300,000 to 37,000. So 10% of the people have an iPhone in my area. Kind of crazy. All right, and then you're going to go here to edit placements. And what we're going to do is we're going to go to all devices. We're going to check off desktop. You don't want desktop checked, okay? We're going to take off Instagram and audience network. And I'm going to leave it on the newsfeed and marketplace. And most recently, I found out Facebook stories are starting to pick up. So I'm leaving them in Facebook stories because apparently those are getting some clicks now, which, you know, there's always different things changing in the industry. So you always got to test the new things. All right, so publish draft items. All right, now we're going to edit the ad here. Okay, guys? But what you would do here is you would let this one go as is. You would have 5 ads here, and you would just be testing a different ad set. You would just be testing iPhones only, okay? But for the purpose of this video, because I think all of you guys are smart enough to know what I'm saying, I'm just going to show you guys how to change and do something different with this ad for testing purposes, okay? So what we're going to do here is we're going to go down here and we're going to go to, where's it at? Send message. All right, and now they have the option to send you a message on the ad, okay? So now what you need to be aware of is whenever they send you a message on the ad, it sends them directly to your Facebook page. So it's going to be your default page, and it's going to be your default message, okay? So what you want, it's going to be your page welcome message. So you're going to need to change that up. So and the way you do that is you go here to settings, and then you're going to go to, whenever it loads, you're going to go to messaging. Sorry, internet's running kind of slow, guys. All right, so you're going to go to automated responses here. Yeah, automated responses. All right, so it's going to be your instant reply here. What you want to do is, you don't want to do frequently asked questions. You want to do the instant reply. So you're going to go to edit. You're going to go to add a question. And then you're just going to add the questions down here. So it's going to be like, sell my iPhone, sell my Samsung. And, then you can, here, I'll just type it out. Sell my iPhone. And you're just going to go here and put, which iPhone do you have? Any issues with it? What company is it with? That's simple. All right. And then you just copy this, put, sell my Samsung, and then sell something else. That's what I do. Okay. Now there is another way that you can do it. And what you can do is you can create a mini chat account. And I highly recommend this. That way that you guys can start collecting subscribers on a chat bot so that you can retarget them. Okay. I very strongly recommend you doing this, because if you're not collecting subscribers on your chatbot in this business, you're going to be losing a lot of money. So a chatbot is like having an email list. Okay. So for example, let's go to Bell Electronics, and I'll just show you guys how mine is set up. All right. So over here, as you can see, I have like almost 500 subscribers on my chatbot. You're going to go over here to automation. Then you're going to go to welcome message. And it's going to load here in a second. Mine's disabled at the moment because I was testing something else. All right, so right here, it has sell my phone, sell my laptop, sell multiple items. And you can track what people are clicking here, guys, which is super powerful. All right. And then, it says, what phone do you have? What company is it with? All that stuff. And then it's got a couple different messages here. All right. So all you got to do is enable this, and it'll send a message out for you. Okay. Whenever somebody messages you using this Facebook ad here. Okay. Whenever they use this option here. All right. That's all there is to that. Okay. And you can also do it a different way as well. So you can do something like this. You can go to, where's it at? You can press get quote. And then now what you can do is you can go back to ManyChat over here, go to growth tools. Pick a growth tool here. We'll look at this one right here. Hey, thanks for reaching out to Bell Electronics. Click below to get started selling your device. We'll go to here to edit. That way it shows you guys the messages here. And now right here where it says messenger ref URL, that's what you want, okay? That's the widget. That's what it's called. So whenever you create a widget, it gives you a whole bunch of different things that you can do. Like, so new growth tool, a lot of this stuff right here is for websites. You got a landing page, and this is what you want to press right here. You want to do messenger ref URL, okay? So once you click that, it will create one for you. And then all you got to do is build the mod out, okay? And then you're going to go over here to setup. You're going to copy this clipboard, just like this. You're going to go back over here, and we're going to substitute this website URL with a chatbot link. Now, whenever somebody clicks on get quote, it's going to send them directly to that chatbot link, okay? Now, just for reference, guys, mine is actually on my Google listing, my chatbot link. So let me go back to widgets here. So as you can see, 32 here, this is from Google, okay? I have it set up on my Google listing to where whenever somebody clicks on the website, they get this message, and it opts people into my chatbot. All right, so it makes it super easy, and it's free leads. Like, anybody that sees me on Google presses that website button is mine. They have been subscribed to the bot, and that's what you want. Okay, so there's a couple different ways to do it, guys. I hope this was helpful. If not, let me know in the comments. I will do my best to help you out. That's about it. I got some stuff that I always put in the bottom. It's going to look kind of like this. So as you can see, I got free content for Facebook ads and the phone flipping course. All these links are below, guys, in my YouTube, and my Facebook post is going to be in the comments. I got the $47 ad photo package. That's got the Note 7 photos and some other photos like MacBooks and stuff like that. DIY package for Facebook ads, 135 photos now. You got Feldman Richards price sheet in there, and then you got quite a few things. I know I've been uploading so many valuable videos in here. It's insane. It's $147 for this one, but it's so worth it now. Honestly, I should raise the price because I've been with the Google listing and everything. That was a lot of stuff. Trade in Tech. If you guys aren't on Trade in Tech yet, you need to join that because there's hundreds of wholesalers and resellers on there now that you can interact with and do business with. If you haven't already, definitely join my chat bot. I send out messages all the time, typically every single day, on whether I make a new video or just tips and tricks, okay? And then, of course, if you haven't bought a phone flipping course yet, I always have my mentors here, David Kosciuszko's. It's the same one I bought, and if you guys haven't just done it, I recommend doing it just because it's totally worth it. It's the best money that I've ever spent. So that's about it, guys. I hope this video was helpful. I hope you guys get some value out of it, and go make some Facebook ads, guys. And I'll see you guys later.